and welcome back to your maths classes. So earlier we have studied about division. What is a division? What is a divide? What is the meaning of divide and how we divide? So today we will continue with the same topic, and there are few things you should know. So for dividing we follow certain methods. One is a short division method and another one is a long division method. So in this video I'll tell you both the methods. First, short division method. So you can see in the picture an example is written which says 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. I think children, now you know how to write a divide. This is the division symbol, and 16 is divided by 4 and we get the answer 4. So in short division we write in this way. Okay, we first of all make a symbol like this, and the first number, very first number, I told you in last video that the first number is the number which we have to divide. So we write this number inside, and the second number is the number from which we divide. So we will write second number here. And what we have to do, how we got this answer, it is a question. So how we got that answer, 16 we will write here and 4 we will write here. So what we have to do is we have to read the table of this 4 and we have to see how many times in 4 table 16 comes. मतलब 4 की टेबल में 16 कितनी बार आता है. ओके, वी विल रीड द टेबल ऑफ 4. ये आप हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि वी हैव टू रीड द टेबल ऑफ 4. ये डिवाइड है, इट इज़ अ डिवाइड, बट वी विल रीड द टेबल, and table is always needed in mathematics. So you have to learn all the tables by heart. Okay, so you should know the table of 4. एंड हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि वी विल सी कि 4 की टेबल में 16 कितने टाइम्स आता है. सो शैल वी रीड द टेबल ऑफ 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So 4 4s are 16. We got the answer. What we got is 4 4s are 16. How many times 16 came? 4 times. So we will write the answer at the down of this line 4. So we can say like 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Okay, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. I think you have understood that 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Now children, you know how to write the short method. First of all, what you have to do is you have to make a symbol like this. You have to write the first number inside, second number outside, and the number which is written outside you have to read that table. And 4 4s are 16. This is your answer, and this answer is also has a name. So in next slide you will come to know what is the name. Okay, so I think it is clear to you the short division method. Okay, study about long division method. We have studied short division method, that was very simple, and long division method is also very similar, only little difference is there. So you can see the heading long division method, and an example is written 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Now you know the meaning of 6 and it is called the answer. Now you can see I have made a picture, I have made a symbol like this symbol, this one. Okay, so this is the symbol for long division method. Okay, this you will make for long division method. And for short division method, how you have made? You have made like this. Okay, so there should not be any confusion. Long division method we make the symbol like this. Okay, so in long division method also we do same. What we have to do is we have to write the first number inside, second number outside, and the number which is outside we have to read that table. So you can see a larger picture at the down side. Here you can see 7 is written outside and it is the second number, and I have told you जो नंबर बाहर होता है हम लोग उसी का टेबल पढ़ते हैं. तो what is the number? 7. Now we have to see कि 7 की टेबल में 42 कितने टाइम्स आता है. So what we have to do is we have to read the table of 7. So we shall read, yes, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 are 42. Oh, we got the answer. 7 6 are 42. So how many times 7 got 42? 6 times. 7 6 are 42. So is that clear to you? What we have to do is, I repeat again, we have to read the table of the number which is outside, and जितनी बार आता है, जितने टाइम्स आता है, उस टाइम्स को हम लोग ऊपर लिखते हैं. ओके, एंड द आंसर इज़ ज़ीरो. ये आंसर हमेशा ज़ीरो नहीं होता. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट आंसर इज़ ऑलवेज ज़ीरो, बिकॉज यू आर इन सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड and you have started the topic, a new topic, division. So we are teaching you a division of zero remainder. Okay, so here children you can see some terms are there. जो नंबर अंदर होता है, जो नंबर को हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा? 42. what is written? 42. and what is 42? we have to divide this number. इसी नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना है. तो जिस नंबर को हमें डिवाइड करना है, द नंबर विच वी हैव टू डिवाइड इज कॉल्ड अ डिविडेंड. इज कॉल्ड अ डिविडेंड. ओके, एंड जिस नंबर से हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं 7, जिस नंबर से हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड एज डिविज़र. दैट नंबर इज कॉल्ड एज डिविज़र. ओके, और जो हमारा टाइम्स आता है, मतलब 7 6 42 आया, ठीक है, तो डेट टाइम्स इज़ आर आंसर. ये हमारा आंसर होता है. एंड इस आंसर को हम लोग आंसर नहीं बोलते. इन मैथ्स वी कॉल्ड इज एज क्वेश्चंट. ओके, वी कॉल्ड इज इट एज क्वेश्चंट. ठीक है, एंड जो यहाँ पे लास्ट में जो बचता है, चाहे वो 0 बचे, चाहे 1 बचे, चाहे 15 बचे, एनी नंबर, कोई भी नंबर जो लास्ट में बचता है, दैट नंबर रिमेन्स is called a remainder. is always called a remainder. I repeat, जो नंबर अंदर है, जिस नंबर को हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, it is called a dividend. जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, the number from which we divide is called a divisor, and the answer is called a quotient, and the remaining answer is called a remainder. So this was all about long division method. In next slide you will come to know more. Children, I have taken another example for you, and in this example you will come to know one more important point about division. So the example is 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. और इसको हम लोग कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Okay, so first of all we will see this example. Okay, 24, what I said कि 24, the very first number we have to write inside. We have written. Okay, तो पहला नंबर हम लोगों ने अंदर लिख दिया, and the second number we will write outside. It is the divisor. ये dividend है, ये divisor है. Okay, and where we have to write the answer, and for answer we have to read the table. So what table we have to read? 24? No, we have to read the table of 4. and 4 की टेबल हमको कब तक पढ़नी है? जब तक कि हमारा आंसर 24 नहीं आ जाता. ओके, until and unless we get 24 या 24 से कम नहीं आ जाता, then till then we will read the table of 4. So we shall read the table of 4, and what we have to get is 24. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. अरे 28 तो ज़्यादा हो गया. So 4 6 are 24. यहाँ पे 6 है, so 4 6 are 24. तो 24 जो हमारा आंसर आया, क्योंकि ये 24 पहले से ही लिखा है, तो इसके नीचे हम लोग 4 6 are 24 लिखेंगे. ओके, लेट मी मेक इट मोर क्लियर टू यू. 4 6 are 24. इस नंबर के डायरेक्ट नीचे लिखेंगे, 4 के नीचे 4, 2 के नीचे 2. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द पोजीशन ऑफ वंस एंड टेंस. वंस की पोजीशन पे वंस नंबर एंड टेंस की पोजीशन पे टेंस नंबर. एंड उसके बाद क्या करना है, वी हैव टू पुट दिस माइनस साइन. यू कैन सी द इन द पिक्चर ना, ब्लू साइन इज देयर. दैट ब्लू साइन इज नॉट अ line, it is a minus sign. We have to minus this number. So what we will get, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now you tell me इसको क्या कहते हैं, what we call it? We call it as dividend, and the number from which we are dividing is the divisor. The answer we are getting is the quotient, and the 0 0, the remaining number is the remainder. Now children, you will come to know a important point, and that point is कि जो quotient होता है और ये जो divisor होता है, ये हमेशा factors होता है dividend के. factors मतलब आप समझते हैं? You know the meaning of factor? No. Okay, let me tell you. तो यहाँ पे you can see a point is written 4 and 6 means 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. मतलब इसका ये हुआ कि 4 6 are 24, मतलब 4 को अगर हम लोग 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा, 24 आएगा. आएगा यस. एंड 6 को अगर हम लोग 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब भी आंसर हमारा 24 आएगा. 6 4s are 24, isn't it? 4 6 are 24 and 6 4s are 24. आई थिंक ये आपको पता है कि टेबल 5 4s are 20 होता है तो 4 5s are भी 20 होता है. तो ठीक है, तो जो डिविज़र होता है, डिविडेंट है 24, ये इसके फैक्टर्स क्या हैं, मतलब इसके मल्टीपल्स क्या है, 6 and 4 हैं. ठीक है, तो फैक्टर्स का यही मतलब हो गया कि वो उससे मल्टीप्लाई हो सकता है. ओके, so this was an example. I think it has made you more clear, and in next slide we will see something more. Just a quick revision. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So 20 is the first number and it is the number which we have to divide, and जिसको divide करते हैं वो dividend कहलाता है. You can see the arrow, and above it is written dividend, and the 4 is the second number जिससे हम लोग divide करेंगे किसको, 20 को, dividend को, and the number is called as divisor. and 4 5s are 5 times 20 आ रहा है तो 5 is the answer and we call it as quotient. and आप यहाँ पे second example देख सकते हैं. You can see second example, and it is the long form of division, and same is written quotient, dividend and divisor. and जो लास्ट में है 20 divided by 4, आप ऐसा फॉर्म कहाँ देखते हैं, when we get the marks or in the school when you are having a exam, teacher gives you marks like this ना, टोटल नंबर हम लोग नीचे लिखते हैं और जितना नंबर आपको मिला है एग्ज़ाम में उतना नंबर हम लोग ऊपर लिखते हैं. सो ऐसे ही हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, तो ऊपर वाला जो नंबर है देखिए वो फर्स्ट नंबर है एंड दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ डिविडेंड, एंड जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है वो सेकेंड नंबर है एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड अ डिविज़र. एंड इज इक्वल टू 4 को 20 टाइम्स, 4 की टेबल में 20 कितने टाइम्स आएगा, दैट विल बी द आंसर एंड दैट विल बी द क्वेश्चन. And children, this is a very important term. You should remember this because an exam also it will come, and later on in higher classes also it will be helpful for you. In next slide you will come to know the terms, some important terms which you will come across during solving a divide or division activities or examples or statement problems. So you can easily recognize, oh, it is a division sum. Okay, so there are 5 terms which you will come across, and there are more terms, but these are the familiar terms you will come across during a division.